Here are the beams, and he's breaking up those deck boards on top, and he's gonna pull them off by hand. Old field stones, hand cut field stones, like foundation stones over there. I'd say so. What? Yeah. I can edit it out. Wood is slowly disappearing from on the beams. This is thanks to Richard Pete for giving me the camera. This is my first time really out in the field giving it a try. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh. There we go. Uh-oh, old school. Doesn't just go to Walmart and buy a new chain. Boy, the bugs are kind of bad out here in Maine. Alright, so he's... there. There we go. Oh, look at the dust. I'm gonna watch the floors all here. Slowly but surely. Alright. Ooh. There we go. Slowly, slowly. Back out into the woods, into the wilderness, slinking off like a snake.